we will start arithmetic progression. Its abbreviation is A.P, AP. Now, in the previous classes, we have already read about the sequences, that is patterns of numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, then 9 and so on. Then an arrangement of numbers which one number is designated as the first, another as the second, and this is called the third. So these are known as sequence. Okay, for some example, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. A sequence is an arrangement of number in a definite order according to some rule. Okay, suppose I am taking an example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on is a sequence. Okay, if I am denoting this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term and this is the fourth term and so on. So what will be the last term? Okay, so we have to find the nth term, or it is also called journal term of that sequence. So suppose I am denoting the first term is equals to A1 is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 4, that is second term, A3 is equals to 6, this is the third term, A4 is equals to 8, that is fourth term. So what is the AN term? Okay, so you can see this can be written as 2 into 1, this will be 2 into 2, this will be 2 into 3, this is 2 into 4, it means it will be 2 into n, that is 2n. So its nth term will be 2n. Okay, same way, suppose this is the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. So this is the first term, we can write it 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, this is 5 square. So what will be the nth term? Yes, it will be n square. Okay, then we will consider this above example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So first term can be written as 1, so it can be written as 2 into 1 minus 1. A2 can be written as 3, can be written as 2 into 2 minus 1. A3 can be written as 5, can be written as 2 into 3 minus 1. Okay, now A4 will be written as, that is 7, 2 into 4 minus 1. So what will be the nth term? Nth term will be 2 into n minus 1. So it can be written as an is equals to 2n minus 1. Okay, now move on the some example. Suppose nth term is given, an is equals to 3n plus 2. Now we have to find first three terms. So we have to put n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and we will get first term, that is A1. So 3 into 1 plus 2, it will be 5. A2 will be 3 into 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. A3 will be 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 11. Okay, this is the first question. Now an is equals to given n square plus 1. So we have to find first three terms. So A1 is equals to 1 square plus 1, that is 2. A2 will be 2 square plus 1, that will be 5. A3 will be 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Okay, now question number 3, an given minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 2 to the power n. So we have to find first 5 terms. So a1 is equals to, here we have to put minus 1, 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power 1. So 1 minus 1 0, and so minus 1 to the power 0, it becomes 1. So it will be 1 into 2 is equals to 2. a2 is equals to minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4. 4 minus 4 into minus 1 is equals to minus 4. a3 will be minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it becomes positive, and 2 to the power 3. So answer will be 8. Now a to the power 4, it will be minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is cube. It means the value of this will be negative, into 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So answer will be minus 16. a to the power 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 into 2 to the power 5 is equals to, it will be minus 1 to the power 4, it will be positive into 32. So answer is 32. Okay. Similarly, you can find out the other terms. Suppose next exam question will be, an is given n cube minus 6n square plus 11n minus 6. Okay. Show that first 3 terms of that the sequence are 0 and all other terms are positive. Okay. So first we have to put 1, 2, 3. So a1 will be 1 cube minus 6 1 square into 11 into 1 minus 6. Okay. So it will be 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 11, this will be positive. So 11 plus 1, 12, and minus 12. So it become 0. Okay. Now a2, this will be 2 to the power 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6. Okay. So it will be 8 minus 2 to the 4, 6 4 the 24 plus 22 minus 6. So it will be 30, then minus 30 will be 0. Now a cube is equals to 3 to the power 3 minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6. So this will be 27. Now it becomes 54 plus 33 minus 6. So it will be 60 minus 60 is equals to 0. So here you can see that a1, a2 and a3 are 0. Okay. So you can see that if this is the cubic polynomial n cube minus 6n square plus 11n minus 6. Okay. So when we are putting n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2 and n is equals to 3, the value becomes 0. So by the factor theorem we can say that n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3 are the factor of the given cubic polynomial. Okay. So an is equals to this. So when we are putting value of n should be greater than 3, so the final value will be always positive. It means an is greater than 0 for all n is greater than 3. So hence this is verified, these first 3 terms of the sequence are 0 and other terms are positive. Next example, what is the 18th term of the sequence defined by an is equals to n minus 3 upon n plus 4. So we have to put n is equals to 18. So A18 is equals to 18. 18 minus 3 upon 18 plus 4. So it becomes 18 into 15 then divided by 22. Okay. So it will be cancelled. Then 135 upon 11. Okay. Now next question is question number next. So A1 is equals to 3. An is equals to 3 an minus 1 plus 1 for all n is greater than 1. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Okay. So here the condition is given. We have to take the value of n should be greater than 1. So we will start n is equals to 2, 3, 4 because we have to find the first 4 terms. Okay. So A1 is given. Now we have to find A2 is equals to 3 A2 minus 1 plus 1. So it will be 3 A1 plus 1. So A1 is 3. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. A3 is equals to 3 A2 plus 1. So A2 is 10. So 30 plus 1 that is 31. Now A4 is 3 A3 plus 1 is equals to 3 into 31 plus 1 that is 94. So these are the first 4 terms will be 3, 10, 31 and 94. Okay. Now move on the next question. Let a sequence be defined by A1 is equals to 1, A2 is equals to 1 and An is given An minus 1 plus An minus 2 for all n is greater than 2. So find An plus 1 divided by An for n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So A1 and A2 which is given. Now we have to find for all n is greater than 2. So we have to put n is equals to 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when we putting A3 is equals to, so 3 minus 1 that is 2 plus 3 minus 2 will be A1. Okay. So A2 plus A1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now A4 will be A3 plus A2 that is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now A5 will be A4 plus A3 is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Okay. So these are the value. Now putting n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 in An plus 1 divided by An. So it will be A2 upon A1. So it will be 1 upon 1 that is 1. A3 upon A2 will be 2 upon 1 that is 2. Then A4 upon A3 that is 3 by 2. Then A5 upon A4 that is 5 upon 3.